Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix photo mode on TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now for some reason the photo mode isn't showing you like this, then what you need to do is go to the App Store and on the search bar simply type in TikTok and then tap on TikTok once again and check to see if there are any updates for the TikTok, because the photo swipe option is available to you on the latest version. So update it to the latest version, and if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is go to the settings app and then tap on general, and once you're inside, tap on iPhone storage, and once it loads, all you gotta do is tap on TikTok, and then once you're inside TikTok, you'll have these two options, upload app and delete app. Simply tap on upload app, and once you do that, it clears any caches or bugs that might be causing the problem that you are facing. And once the process is complete, it will have reinstall instead of this offload. And once you hit the reinstall app, and once that process is complete, all you gotta do now is try again, and that should probably fix the issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.